everyone, this is Teacher K and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about how you can throw a virtual birthday surprise party for your friend, family member, colleague, or partner via Zoom. The thing is, a lot of people right now, they feel isolated, they feel bored, lonely, and some are depressed because of this pandemic. One of those people could be your friend, your colleague, your family member, or even your partner. Might as well use their birthdays as a perfect time to encourage them and to make them feel loved. And one way to do that is to surprise them with a virtual party via Zoom. So without further ado, here are my ideas. Number 1, send an e-invitation. Have a thoughtful list of people whom you think the celebrant would love to spend time with. Send them an e-invitation, and you don't really have to spend a lot of time making that invitation because there are already a lot of layouts available in Canva. You can just check it out. As for me, when I celebrated my birthday party last July 3, what I did was I made an e-invitation in Canva, and this is how it looks like. And then that's what I sent to those people whom I would love to spend my day with. Number 2, dress code. Come on, it's quarantine and we know that people have a strong excuse not to wear anything presentable for that birthday celebration. So why don't you try to spice that birthday party a bit and then ask them to come up wearing something based on whatever theme that you are planning to do on that virtual party. You can always ask your guests to wear a certain dress code, like say for example, wear hats, superhero costumes, wear a certain color like a pop of red, and even athletic wear. Number 3 is to have a custom Zoom backgrounds. You can always send a background that works well for the birthday theme. There are a lot of cute backgrounds available in Canva. Here are the backgrounds that I chose from, and here is the one that I asked my guests to use for my own virtual party. You may also click on the link provided in the description box so that you can check those Canva Zoom backgrounds. By the way, make sure to send that virtual background to your guests prior to having the program so that they can already explore on how to do it. Number 4 is game time. Games are instant icebreakers. You can have fun time with the celebrant and the guest by playing games that are applicable to Zoom. I also have a video about the online icebreakers that you can use, so better check this video out. You can also include prizes to make the game super exciting. Number 5 is to fake a restaurant dinner. So what you can do here is you can share a photo of your favorite restaurant and then you ask your guests to make that as a Zoom background. You can also ask everyone to cook or prepare a food that would fit for the theme. Or maybe you can ask the guests to prepare the celebrant's favorite food or snacks. Here's the bonus point. If you are able to surprise the celebrant with delivery from their favorite restaurant. So while eating, just pretend that you are in an actual restaurant and have some chit-chat. Number 6 is movie night. Netflix Party is a Chrome extension that you can use to watch shows or movies together. Thus, everyone needs to download the extension, and then the host shares the link to the party goers. While watching, you can have a simultaneous text or chat or video chat along the side of the screen. Bonus tip, mail or drop off microwave popcorn packets in advance. Number 7 is dance party. So we know that there are a lot of TikTok moves already available and these things are very popular. Perhaps you can ask one person from the group to lead everyone in learning a TikTok dance. And then record it, post it in your Insta stories. Number 8, celebrity on Cameo. Do you know that you can actually get personalized messages from your favorite celebrities using the app Cameo? You can book a celebrity and pay them for a certain price. I heard the proceeds will be given to charity, but I'm really not sure about that. Think about it, a video surprise from their favorite celebrity might be the next best thing, right? Actually, people in Cameo could range from athletes, influencers, and then of course celebrities. I tell you, Cameo's impressive selection can make for a lovingly personal surprise. Number 9, virtual tour. If you and your friends are more cultured bunch, especially the celebrant, plenty of museums, zoos, and other institutions all over the world are currently offering free virtual tours throughout the pandemic. You can try the Louvre, the Vatican, the Met, or the San Diego Zoo. And most of these are actually free. Well, these virtual tours usually don't have social integration, so you'll have to decide or figure out the best way to browse as a group. Or maybe you can do a scavenger hunt in the Louvre. What do you think? Number 10 is appreciation session. Of course, the celebration should be fun and meaningful at the same time. So don't forget to do an appreciation session where you can encourage and appreciate the celebrant. Get friends and family to put together slide presentations celebrating the birthday celebrant. They can include photos, videos, collage, quotes, and memories. You can also include declarations and of course, end it in prayer. So these are just the things that you can do in throwing a Zoom birthday party. You can use, combine, or tweak some of these ideas. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be done with love. As what the Bible says, 1 Corinthians 16 verse 14, do everything in love. I really hope and pray that God will use you to bless and encourage a person, especially during these trying times. Not only during birthdays, but as part of your lifestyle. Let love manifest, let His light shine. Thanks for watching and see you again next week for more exciting videos. Once again, this is Teacher K. Have a great day. Bye!